What's up, everybody? I'm Boo Carlisle. Welcome back to another episode of Kicking Asphalt. As you can see, I'm here with Bittersweet today. Me and Fred have been doing a little work, but today's adventure is going to carry us up to Newport Speedway in Newport, Tennessee, where they're having open practice for the first time. No, we ain't taking Bittersweet. We had a lot of problems at Hickory, and we're slowly but surely getting them fixed as time permits. But wanted to talk about, y'all been watching the channel a long time, man. I used to always wear different racer shirts from around. Dad got a Semi Gator shirt on. He races at Langley Speedway in Hampton, Virginia. Badass super street racer. So if you're in the Hampton, Virginia area, you happen to roll into the flat spot of Langley Speedway, definitely cheer for Sammy and his team. They some definitely great friends of ours. But thinking if there's anything else, made a thing the other day so we can hang the hood on the wall. Pretty proud of that. But other than that, throw Fred in Big White. And we're gonna get rolling up Newport, Tennessee. Check out this high banked 3/10 mile oval they call Baby Bristol. All right, Fred, let's get rolling. Got your hat on, your red hat, that limited edition, special edition. What do you think about going to Newport? Find us a little joint to eat at. We ain't never been up here.
No, check it out and see what's going on. See what it's like.
You sad you ain't taking a race car?
Nah.
We got quite a few people to call, and while there's a truck coming. All right, that way, Fred? Nope. No, you got a dump truck coming that way. Good that way now?
Yep.
All right, let me get the hell out of his way. But we got a few people to call on the way up here. Got called back my man Matthew Dillner. Got to call Brandon Brown from South Boston. May have something in the works there for the Star Tour. So we got quite a few people to call, and that's what I do on these long trips, pass the time. So yeah, I know my sunglasses are dirty. I broke my other ones because I got such a big head. So when I roll up here to get a little push water, I'm buy me another pair of sunglasses. But other than that, we're gonna grab a gear. I don't think we get on 85, so I guess we'll go 53 on 53. But other than that, let's go have some fun. Told y'all, broke my other ones. Getting some gas in Big White now, and we'll be on our way to Newport Speedway. $3.19 a gallon here in the peach state of Georgia.
Hey.
Fred got to call Mama Judy.
Oh, yeah.
Got him a snack, got him a corn dog. 3 hours and 18 minutes until we get to the Newport Speedway. It's all got country back road stuff, so it'll be a little bit of a scenic ride. Me and Fred gonna hang our arms out the window, put some 90s country music on. Y'all enjoy it. We have made it to the Newport Speedway exit finally after the quick, pretty travel through the Great Smoky Mountains. Let's get on over here and get us a little push water. $2.89 a gallon, Fred. Damn, cheaper than ever been around these parts. We have made it to the back road portion. Man, that's a cool little town, wasn't it, Fred? Mm-hmm. That joker had a couple diners, drive-ins in there. Everything looked locally owned.
Yep, corn liquor. Get it
All that stuff you took was corn liquor. But we're about 4 minutes away from the Newport Speedway. It'll be our first time rolling in this beer joint. Be track number 102 that I've been to in my 36 years here on this great earth. And we have made it to the Newport Speedway. Didn't know what we was gonna be looking for, but we're looking for this mud hole right here. Give it a splash, and here we are. $30 a person to get in for practice day in the pits. Y'all seen this beer joint the first time we are. The big muscle man of everybody's here running the back gate. What's up? This place is badass to the bone. I'm talking about make you want to drink alone. I ain't no rapper. I wouldn't exactly want to stand with many people up here and jump up and down. I'm standing on the I-beam part. Ain't no amount of video gonna do this banking any justice whatsoever. I've always heard about it, but holy crap. Hell, they made a great point. They said, well, instead of driving the truck in, won't you just park the truck outside and hell, hop over the fence? The cars keep coming out, but smart idea them two got. I'll listen to them more. Why our Star Tour date kept getting backed up was he was wanting to get the bleachers done. I see what they're doing now. Fellas is up there working in the hot sun. Had a good time today with good conversation. I'm gonna walk down here to the corner and try my best to show you what the banking is like, because it is insane here at Newport Speedway. I know the video don't do it justice, but this banking is insane. We're here with Lance Gatlin. He is the man that brought Newport Speedway back. He won't take credit for it, I really don't think, but Lance, talk about how you really helped bring this place back.
Yeah, I had a little small hand in it, but you know, I'm in real estate, real estate agent, been in real estate for years, and you know, I had an opportunity. I had a good friend of mine that's been sponsoring on the race car, Cotton Eye Joe's, Chuck Ward, and he sparked some interest in this place, and I kind of heard it might have been going on the market, so one thing led to another. And I talked to Chuck, I said, is this something you want to do? And Ed Surratt was involved also. He's with the Ramsey family that owned the track previously, and Miss Ramsey. And we put the deal together, all five of us basically. And Chuck was gung-ho, Ed was on board, Miss Ramsey was on board, and grateful and thankful enough that she got involved and wanted to see this place stay a racetrack, because she could have very easily decided to, you know, sell it to some real estate developer and it be bulldozed and put tiny homes on it and things like that. So the fact that she wanted to keep it a racetrack was very important. Chuck, it was important to him to do that because he's been in racing for many years, and like I said, been on the hood of my race car, Cotton Eye Joe's, and he wanted to get involved, and he's in the business of making things look nice, and he sure has changed the look of this place, because it's been dormant for 7 years and kind of touch and go previous years, and he has really made this place look like a polished gym.
Reach out and
wall leaning in.
Oh yeah, well, we're gonna fix it come winter time.
Yeah, I knew it was in the plans too.
You ready to rock and roll?
Oh, I think you have to be back for dinner or something. what he said. His wife promised her he'd be back for dinner time.
Every now and then on mine, there'll be a
goodbyes to her buddies down here. Gonna go up here to up top and check this place out.
I bet you looked at it.
What do you think of this beer joint, Fred?
It's gonna be something.
Badass, ain't it?
Yeah.
Banking in the corner.
I ain't never seen one.
Short straight.
Yeah, short.
Crazy banking.
Yeah. I told him I'd like to see two of them going
side
in
by
that banking.
side.
And yeah, side
Well,
by
hell, when
side.
they get it up. Said they started, I think it was 26 last time they was here.
When was that?
In the late model feature, 7 years ago, whatever the hell that was. Hop up in Big White and we'll ride around, check the rest of the place out, and then we'll ride over to Asheville. Davey Smart gonna buy some supper.
Yep.
That's a fort. I don't know if you call that a forklift. I ain't got the fort. That's just a lift. Come around the back side of the racetrack here, trackside right over there. What you got over there on your side, Fred?
Pallets and cross ties.
Oh, they got something going on up there. Maybe a little fencing job.
Gate.
This be where all the parking's at for the spectators, for the fan. All right, see you later. Big old parking lot over here. Be plenty.
Could
of
be
parking.
bigger.
Yeah, probably a little trackside entrance right
They must have cross ties up on these cars.
What's the junk? Tell them how many junkyard cars they crushed.
They said after they pulled out what they wanted to keep, it was 400 from in there.
From inside the racetrack.
From inside racetrack and outside the racetrack was 5,300 that they crushed.
5,300. This place used to be a junkyard. That badass racetrack. What you doing, Preacher Joe? We didn't expect to see you here.
You know I'm going to be where this church a resurrected racetrack.
You know it, preacher. You know it.
Who you riding with?
There's a fire truck over there. There's a race car over here. And I said, I've seen that car before, and I looked at that windshield banner right there, Star Super Stock Tour. Chris Tennell raced with us back at Lonesome Pine. Hopefully he can roll over to Florence August 31st for our next race.
Greened up, covered up.
Yep.
There's some pretty farmland around here.
Yeah. The top ain't on it.
Right.
But it's the old brick top side of it. The end top. Little cabin that it's in. Yeah, we saw some. You can get a peek of it. Up 40. And you run into that. The trees on the side of the interstate. And you put your feet down there. Hadn't be for sitting, had to be for walking. Yeah, all your feet. See? Just like Lanier. Excuse me, sir. Pardon me, ma'am. Excuse me. Let me by. Get the hell out of the way. That's what it be. They got sessions open. We ought to help the racetrack out. What do you want? Dr. Pepper, Mr. Peter? If they got anything in there, see what they got. Shack they got right here. They talking about there might be there's gonna be some, I believe it's Smokey, old Smokey moonshine. They're gonna sell hard liquor drinks here. That'd be a little cool deal if that's what that was for. Get you one last look at the Newport Speedway. Awesome scenic views here. Well, that's gonna wrap today's video up. Gonna head this thing on to Asheville, North Carolina. Davey Smart said he was gonna buy some supper and we could catch up, tell him what's been going on and catch up, see what's been going on with him. But thank y'all for watching very much. Hope y'all enjoyed Newport Speedway. Next on the list is we're looking to go to Tri-County Motor Speedway September 7th with Bittersweet. The next Star Tour race will be August 31st at Florence Motor Speedway, NASCAR weekend. So if anybody's going down for the NASCAR races on Labor Day weekend at Darlington, come check us out for the Star Tour over at Florence Motor Speedway. Cars Tour, Bobby Mack will be racing Friday night. And then I'll be promoting the Star Tour race on Saturday night at the same racetrack. 12 minutes down the road to Zachariah's family. Phenomenal people. Great place to come check out a race. But trying to think, that's pretty much it. So thank y'all for watching. Appreciate y'all very much. Closing in on 1 million total views. We're within 96,000. Within 1 million total views. So Fred's real excited about that. We'll talk about that more. But share it with your friends, share it with your family. Hell, put it on when you go to bed. So let's get to 1 million this season. But other than that, y'all know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe, and we'll catch you next time. Take care.